Welcome to the Top 5 Auto Advice. One of many reasons car shuts off while driving. Do you frequently have the annoying problem of having to stop your car in the middle of nowhere? Be at ease. We'll assist you. It is your duty to take care of your car if you own one. It seems that many auto owners think car runs on magic dust. To keep your car in good condition for a long time, you should regularly check the oil, gas, coolant, etc. There are numerous sensors and features in modern cars to keep them running smoothly. Having a basic understanding of your car can help you prevent mechanical issues like your car cutting out while you're driving. But what could trigger a car to turn off while it's moving? A damaged crankshaft position sensor is the most frequent cause of a car to shut down while in motion. On the majority of car models, the crankshaft sensor is required for the engine to function. On some car models, you also have a camshaft position sensor, which the vehicle will use in the event that the camshaft sensor is broken. However, a malfunctioning crankshaft position sensor may not result in a complete stop of the vehicle. In contrast, if your vehicle only has a crankshaft position sensor and no camshaft sensor, and you receive a trouble code, you must replace the sensor. And lucky enough, that might fix the problem.